Hi everyone, welcome back to the tasting room. This is Chris Lafleur. I'm here with Katie Long, and we're going to be tasting lot 943. What are we tasting today, Katie?
I am so excited. Lot 943 is a Napa Valley Cabernet Sauvignon. I know, right?
Yeah.
So Napa Valley is so known for Cabernet Sauvignon. It is the single most planted variety in this appellation, and for great reason. It just grows like gangbusters here.
It's ubiquitous. When you think about Napa Valley, you can't really not talk about Cabernet Sauvignon. That's everybody's bread and butter.
So Cabernet Sauvignon, why do we love it? Why do you love it, Chris?
Why do I love it? Well, I think it's a very complex grape. It's got remarkable black currant, which are always very expressive on the nose. It's also got a nice hit of pyrazines, which is that green pepper, kind of grassy smell. And it translates differently for every grape, but I think Cabernet Sauvignon, it translates the best. In really good examples, I get a little bit of either eucalyptus or a touch of spearmint, and I think it helps round out the aromatics of a beautiful, elegant wine.
And those are such qualities that make it happy here. So we've got the California sunshine, we've got ripeness, we've got warmth. We also have these cooling evening breezes that kind of roll in off of the ocean. So we're finding balance. Balance to grow great grapes. That was a tongue twister.
Yeah, but we love good balance, so here we go. Let's have a look at this in the glass. Oh my gosh.
That's gorgeous. Look at that color.
That is more opaque than I thought it was gonna be.
Wow, so this tells me it's a youthful wine. We're looking at that beautiful ruby, really kind of purple, deep core. What else?
Well, I think it kind of tells you right away it's Cabernet Sauvignon, because there's very few grapes that you're gonna get this level of extraction on.
Did it tell you it's Cabernet Sauvignon?
Yeah, what's that? Cab Franc. No, you can't fool me, honey. All right, Cabernet Sauvignon. And it smells like it too right away. So on the nose, a huge hit of black currant like we talked about.
You called it, yeah.
It's right there, so and it's leaping out of the glass.
Just dark fruit flavors. That's speaking to the ripeness of the Napa Valley. That hint of maybe dried herbs, that pyrazine quality.
Yeah, the pyrazine kind of wraps, like I said, like a little bit of mint. And I think there's a touch of dark chocolate on here as well.
Ooh, it's like a little hug.
Yeah, it's got so much going on that you just want to sit with this one for a little while.
Shall we give this one a taste?
Oh, we sure will.
Awesome. Wow.
What is that? That is so good. My God.
Trying to make me spit it out.
I was a little bit. Yeah, almost gotcha. Next time I will. It's incredible. The palate is great. It's really long. There's great tannins coating the top of my tongue, kind of chalky, and then also a little bit coarse, but not aggressive. It's a myriad of stuff going on.
There's so much going on in this wine. So that dark bramble fruit flavor, I think a kiss of mocha, a little bit of that minerality, just a framing of oak, providing some of that vanilla texture, but it sits on the palate, it glides across the palate, let's say.
Yeah.
It's got plenty of body, but it's going directionally towards the finish.
Oh yeah, there's all the hallmarks here that say this is gonna last for a while. Like there's great acidity, giving it a little lively flavor, a bevy of different flavors and a great concentration of fruit, a lot of tannin that's gonna reduce micro-oxidation. There's everything we could have here to say this belongs in your cellar. Several of the bottles lying down, several of them standing up for you to drink whenever you want.
Yeah, I think this is a wine that I would want with friends. Maybe take it to a dinner party or even just a casual gathering. This is one of our countdown wines for fall. So as we eagerly await the lot 950, this is a special wine. And it really stands out in the glass as having a good structure, a lot of intensity, but really well balanced. I mean, the alcohol is kind of high on this, but it doesn't stand out.
Yeah, like when I saw the alcohol in the back here, which is 15% by the way, it did not at all speak to me that that's where this one was. This feels very well integrated and very balanced. So what are you pairing this with, Katie? Oh,
aside from good friends and good company, I think a protein that has a lot of, umami, maybe some fats. I think this would be lovely for some of the fall and winter fare. But what are you gonna pair it with?
Oh, I can already see it in my head. I'm at the white tablecloth. I've got the nice big white plate. I've got a strip loin that's got grill marks perfectly. I've got some grilled asparagus to go alongside this and some garlic buttery mashed potatoes. That's what this wine is for me. But you don't have to be constrained to my taste. You can have this with lobster. You can have this with a barbecue. You can have this on your own while your kids are yelling at you that they want more candy. That's a great reason to have some. It's such a versatile wine. You can have it whenever you like.
So it sounds like you're doing the cooking. How about if I bring the wine and come on over?
That sounds great. Okay, I'll get the steaks on the grill.
So we know where it's gonna sit in our cellar, but at home, probably a few years' time, aging in your cellar. But if you're like me, Don't wait. Why defer pleasure? I'm gonna open my bottle today.
Absolutely. And this is gonna taste great whenever you open it. And as you lay it down, you're gonna get to see how it evolves over time. It's gonna be incredible. So I think we should go finish this and get some steaks.
Doesn't sound like a bad idea.
And I will see you at the next glass.
And cheers until then.